Common questions that are often asked regarding a custody case is, will the preference of the child have any bearing on the case? And the second question, which I'll also answer, is, will my child have to be interviewed? As to the first question, preference, the court will ask the child certain questions that will elicit what their preferences are, but the court may or may not pay attention to those preferences. The older the child, the more mature the child, how honest the child seems to be is going to have the most important impact on whether the court accepts that preference or not. If the child's 2 or 3 years old or 4 years old, I don't think the court's going to take that much into account. If the child's 12, 13, 14, they're going to start paying attention to that child, unless the child seems to be not honest or not mature. As to whether the child is going to be interviewed, either party can ask that the child be interviewed, or the court can insist on the child being interviewed. Usually if the child's 8, 9, 10 or older, they're going to probably interview the child. If they're younger, the court probably is going to see less reason to do so because they're too young to really express anything that might be that useful. The interview often will take place in chambers, but sometimes it takes place in open court. It's up to the judge. If there is an interview with the child, the lawyers will be present, and the lawyers can cross-examine or examine the child, though the questions will often be governed by the judge.